Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by collecting the essentials: a clear vocal recording, a sprite, and a new scratch project. Import your audio into the Project Sounds tab so you can scrub and trim. This helps align syllables to animation. Next, prepare sprite costumes that show mouth positions: closed, half open, open. Once done, import those costumes to the sprite and name them logically. Make sure to save a backup copy before extensive editing, so you can revert if timing adjustments break the build. You now match audio to visuals. Split the song into segments and use play sound until done for whole lines, or play and wait in shorter chunks for syllables. Use the sounds editor to find timestamps, then script costume changes at those timestamps with precise wait times. For smoother motion, alternate between two intermediate mouth shapes and the open shape. This reduces jitter. Make sure to test each line and adjust weights. Transient consonants need shorter frames than vowels, so tweak accordingly until lips look natural. You finish by polishing. Add subtle gestures, blinks, head tilts, and breath pauses, triggered by broadcasts so they don't block the singing. Use volume and fade effects to prevent abrupt starts or stops. Duplicate well-timed scripts for chorus parts to save effort. Once assembled, test on different browsers or the offline editor to confirm timing. If lips are out of sync, reduce costume changes or split audio into fewer, longer chunks. Lowering project complexity often remedies browser-induced audio lag.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.